Welcome back. In this video, we'll be doing an in-depth review of the Ultimate Ears Boom 2, more commonly known as the UE Boom 2. The UE Boom 2 comes in a pretty neat box. Unfortunately, at the time of purchase, an unboxing video was not able to be filmed. We've just got the box with the UE Boom 2 inside. This is not the official packaging. The box keeps the UE Boom quite safe while it's inside the box. In this compartment would have been the micro USB cable and a power brick. The UE Boom 2 is 18 centimeters high and 6.7 meters wide. Looking at the top now, there are two buttons, a power button and a Bluetooth button. On the bottom of the speaker, you'll find two flaps, a 3.5mm AUX port and a charging flap with micro USB. The UE Boom 2 is IPX7 rated waterproof. It can be immersed in water up to 1 meter for up to 30 minutes. When the speaker is charging, the LED will flash. Once fully charged, it will have a still light. This ring is removable, revealing a tripod insert. On the side of the UE Boom, there's one plus symbol and a minus symbol. These control the volume. If you press the plus and the minus buttons at the same time, the speaker will tell you the battery level of the speaker. The most important thing about a speaker is the sound. The UE Boom 2 sounds really close to perfect. Let's jump into a sound comparison between a $120 USD UE Boom 2 and a $28 USD speaker. So at the moment you're listening to the UE Boom 2. Now you're listening to the $28 speaker. The UE Boom 2 comes with some cool tap controls. To do this, you need to download the app made by Ultimate Ears, which we'll have linked in the description below. And then, connect the speaker to your phone via Bluetooth. Then, navigate to the speaker settings in the app and turn on tap controls. Now, your tap controls should work. First is pausing and resuming. To do this, you need to pick up the speaker and tap the top once. This should pause or resume depending on if you've already stopped your music or started it. You cannot use it while it's sitting on a surface. It just doesn't work otherwise. Next is skipping to the next song. This time, double tap the top of the speaker. Remember, you must pick it up. And those are your tap controls. Overall, this is an all-round good Bluetooth speaker. If not, great. For 165 New Zealand dollars, or 120 US dollars, it's worth it. From the sound quality to the shockproofing and the waterproofing, it's a great deal. Let us know what speaker you use in the comments section down below. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video or found it entertaining, don't forget to press the like button down below. If you have any questions, comment them down below. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified about every new video we post. Thanks for watching.